Hey everyone, I'm sure you've all played around with ChatGPT by now, which is a hosted service by OpenAI. And I found a company called Hugging Face that aims to democratize good machine learning, which sounds great. And one of the things you can do is community members upload models. And so I can look at, say, conversational models, which are used in chats. And then I can take, say, this particular model, go to the files, and download this model to my machine and run my own chat app locally on my laptop. So this is exactly what I did. I downloaded this particular Facebook model here, and I wrote a little Python script which uses that particular model. And then if we run it locally, this script here, Python chat, the first thing it'll do is it will load the model. And I put in some timestamps here so I can figure out how long it takes. So it's 2 seconds. Hello friends, I like candles. Can ignore that bit. And they love candle too. I like soy candles. Sometimes. And as much as I do actually like to just work in the command line, I decided to also build a web UI. So if you go to the model, they have an Inference API, which means you can do post requests to Hugging Face for a particular model and get responses, which is amazing. So I built this little web UI here.